kaunti ya Nairobi ikiombe kia Obochori ni chimbebe aiga Kenya kia Iebc niko bono kieroberetie ase Obochori Oboke ubore bosio borobeire gochakwa neki ochitari kia 20 na isano na ibere chumo tienyo iga okwana korwa samagacha amanene ye kiombe ekio ensemo ya anniversary towers ime omocho Nairobi munyakerogo bwe ekiombe ekio Erastus Ethekon nabo igo mo inspector general b'abasigari nigo bono Douglas Kanja nigo nabo igo munyakerogo bwe ekiombe keri kia NCIC Samuel Kobia banyare koba bakwenekia Obochori obu nigo borache koba obwo bwene nobo bwasioku nigo boigo baruro Okoeroberia gochiase bari bonsi bakurwandira ebirogo ao gokora chikampeni chire chomorembe unagotoma nyomorikito Linet Nyambane.
We are calling upon those participating in these by-elections to ensure that they follow strictly the code of conduct on elections.
Gokwana nabararia emambia yerit kuria rero ekiombe gia Iebc amona babwatani bande nigo baereire buna nigo bagochia kwenekia Obochori Oboke bore bosio ngoikere na bore buna borobeirie.
Iebc, working with the other national institutions, including the National Police Service present here, the National Cohesion and Integration Commission, have been meeting and preparing for the 24 by-elections that are currently ongoing across the country.
Nigo ekiombe kio kia Iebc kiene kiri Obochori obwo nigo bogochikoba obwo bwene no bwasioku ase boigo baruro bore gochia asa bakurwanirira ebirogo byoborai gokora bare siasa chomorembe.
So we are here to assure the nation that Iebc is committed to ensuring that those elections are conducted in a peaceful, free, fair, and transparent manner. And we would also like to assure the various political parties and their candidates, and indeed all the Kenyans who constitute the electorate, that all the candidates and their political parties are free to campaign peacefully anywhere within their jurisdictions.
Nigo bagikiri bororo chibura buru chikwene kiwa chinga kichich campaign asege kore kia bwango iga kiene kiwensemo ye bunge ya Kasepul nigo bono barurege kurero egetindi gochiase bari bagochia kubwatera nigwa ne chibura buru echo.
The harmonization of campaign schedules, which was consultative and agreed and signed off by the political parties and their candidates, must be adhered to strictly, because this avoids situations where the various political teams and candidates and their supporters clash along the way during their campaigns, as has happened in the case of Kasipul. So any breaches of the code of conduct, of course, will attract penalties, will attract some form of punishment, including fines, and in severe cases, it might force us to cancel or to disqualify those candidates who will be found to have breached the electoral code of conduct.
We are investigating all cases of intimidation, intolerance in all by-elections that we have seen. Case in point, Kasipul. So, any person who involves himself in a manner that causes breach of the law, including all the other areas, Bahrain included and many others, the National Police Service will not allow. And we are going to do our work as guided by the Constitution.
We have already identified cases where there is a breach of the code of conduct as it has been mentioned. And I want also to say that what we do is to summon those who are in breach. And already we have summoned those, especially in Bere, stating that they are banning some people from stepping there to campaign. We wanted to emphasize that there is no Kenyan who can ban another Kenyan from doing what is lawful in any part of the country.
arenayo abakenya baenekeriwe oborendi chingaki chobochori obwo ngoripoteria Ensoko TV kurugaiga asomocho Nairobi erietariane Linet Nyamba.